Hello mga barangay, another VA agency to review once again, and this time let's talk about Brunt work, okay? Brunt work careers, and right off the bat, looking at the website, it says here that they cater to Australian, US, UK, Canada, and New Zealand clients. Okay, so all over the world, meaning to say there's flexibility when it comes to, alam mo yon, to time zones. Okay? So, of course, if we get clients from Australia, you can get like, early clients with in the morning shift, diba? It's very, very easy for you. And sabi nila dito, seeking skilled and enthusiastic people interested in roles such as diverse as customer support, telesales, web development, digital marketing, graphic design, and virtual assistants. Okay, so okay, and then they cater to different, hindi lang Filipinos, but like also people from Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Colombia, Argentina, Mexico, Chile, Costa Rica, Serbia, Poland, Hungary, Romania, and Czech Republic. So these are the countries they cater to, not just Filipinos. Okay, so let us see what is their application process. Huh, it doesn't say. Pero, how can I apply for a job at Brentwork? Let's check this one. It says clear. Click here. Also, here are the openings. Andito yung mga openings. Kung makikita nyo guys, merong full-time. Ayan, may nakalagay na full-time na 35 hours per week. Meron ding mga nakalagay na part-time. Ay, actually, ang dami lang opening. Oh my gosh. Ayan o, 35 hours a week, 35 hours. May mga part-time ba? Let me check if there are part-times. Almost not full-time. Ito part-time, less than 35 hours per week. Ayan, may part-time. May part-time again. Ayan, so there you go. So they have both full-time and part-time. Let's check one opening, okay? Let's look for a finance manager. Full-time. There. So, ayan. May work schedule. So, may mga fixed may mga flexi din. Ayan. So, may kita mo dito yung buong scope, responsibilities, requirements, benefits of HMO. Okay, so they have HMO coverage. For eligible locations, I'm not sure what that is, kung anong country yon na eligible for HMO. Permanent work from home, immediate hiring, and steady freelance job. Okay, I see. So I also looked at their Facebook page earlier, but before that, let's go to their Q&A. Sabi dito, what kinds of jobs do you have? All Brantok jobs are work from home freelance job. We have part-time, full-time, day shift, night shift jobs, non-voice. Non-voice jobs, flexible hours during the client's business hours. I know. Can I apply for multiple job openings? You can apply for as many jobs as you feel are qualified for and have a genuine interest in. To make reapplying for additional roles, to recommend registering in the candidate portal. Oh, okay. An invitation link will be sent to you after you apply for your first role. So, pag pumasa ka sa first role mo, may isa pang candidate portal na is-send sa'yo na link. Doon ka daw mag-apply. Okay. Next. I failed the technical check. How soon can I reply? So may technical check sila and ito yung you can reapply right away as soon as you upgrade. So ito yung basic tech nila requirements. Intel i3 or i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 and above slash Mac o MacBook. So ano ka na? Pasok ka na. RAM 8, tas Windows 10 or Catalina and up only for Mac. At least 25 Mbps internet speed. Pasok yan. I've gone through the initial interview, recruiters interview, and client interview. How do I follow up on my job application? We apologize for the long wait. Sometimes it takes a long while. It takes a while before we receive feedback from our clients. It is good to assume that if we have not heard from us yet, it means you're still waiting for the client to respond. But do not let this stop you from applying other jobs. You can still apply for available jobs posted on our website. Yung pinakita natin kanina. How would I know if Bruntwork job post is still open? Register an account on the portal. So mag-register ka sa portal using the same email address used and apply for the role. You'll be able to see the current status of that job from there. So magaling no kasi makita mo, para makita mo sa dashboard kung tawag dito, yung in-applyan mo ay still open or not, kung ano status sa application mo. That's nice. That's nice. Sabi dito, are the pay rates fixed or negotiable? Pay rates are generally fixed for more roles, but could potentially be open to negotiation depending on your skills and experience. Are work schedules fixed or negotiable? All the job description mention if job is fixed or flexible working hours. This is discussed during the interview with the recruiter. So, yan, nakalagay naman, nakita naman natin kanina na sa job opening, no, na yes, may mga fixed, may mga flexi, depende sa needs ng client, no? Okay, so after nyan, let's see naman. So ito yung candidate profile. So you can create your profile here. Okay, you can create here. Don't have an account? Create an account. Ayan no. So you have to create an account, you have to submit your resume, your email and your password, your details, sorry, and everything here. Okay, so nandito. Yan, and then you register. Okay. But to give you a background, no, as mentioned, I saw their Facebook page and nandito na ang kanilang mga openings. Ayun, no, madami. HR assistant, cold caller. Ayun, no, 51K per month. Diba? Not bad. 290 per hour, cold caller. 42K per month, medical receptionist. Graphic designer, 7.5 an hour. And accountant, 10 per hour. Director of finance, 210. Wow! 212,000 a month. Content coordinator, 1.3K a month. Accounts manager, 465 an hour. Andito na guys lahat. Madami pa. Ayan pa. Ito oh. 390 per hour. Magkano yung 390? 390 divided by, let's say, 56. Bale, mga $6 to $7 an hour ito. 44,000 for appointment setter. Ang dami, guys. Ang dami dito. As in, oh, 'di ba? Ang daming openings. Ayan yung mga rate. Nandiyan na. Okay, ikaw na bahala mag-apply. Ayan na, 'di ba? Apply na mga mi. Ayan. So, ito yung mga bagong hires. Hello, guys. Hello, kala mo naman part ako nito. Anyway, so yan po yung mga hiring. You can join them dito. You can follow their FB page. Ayan. So, andyan po lahat ng openings nila. Okay? Andyan na po lahat. Okay. Okay. Ayan. So, yes, guys. Brand work. Okay, 100% work from home. HMO sa ibang mga countries na eligible. Of course, above average pay. With tracking kung kamusta yung status mo dito sa portal nila. Um, they cater to different kinds of clients from Asia to America to Europe, ayan, to Australia, down under. And then, yun. Um, so far so good. I don't know if you guys have seen this already, but I'm kind of happy with this. I'm happy with this. I can check like some of the opportunities pa kami mag-fit sa akin for extra. Hala! Ayun. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope this helps for you or I hope this helps you guys. Comment below kung sino pa ba ang i-check ko na na V agencies. I know this is legit because I see this all over of course all over LinkedIn. Madami rin silang ads, active sila. So yeah, thank you guys and See you on the next one. Bye, everyone!